I got a wig, 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 I got a wig. Hello you guys, I got a wig. Ignore the nails, but I got a wig. And I'm gonna show you what's up with it, what it's looking like, what it's hidden for, and all of that good stuff. So yeah, let's do this. Hey guys, so I got a wig. I can't wait to show you, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Ignore the nails, they're coming off, but I did not want to procrastinate with this video. So without further ado, let's check out what this wig is looking like. For first impressions, this was a yikes, at least for me, on my face. Y'all let me know down below how it looks to a different eye, because I'm gonna be biased on how I see myself, and this wig is just a little different. It's not what I expected. I don't know. As I stare at myself, I'm confusion. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure, but I don't think it's hideous. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm there at a 3. Just like, I'm not sure if I like it, but I'm not sure if I hate it either. So we're at a 3 with this one. Y'all please give me some feedback below. You know, this wig is from SHEIN, so it's affordable, you know, and I guess it is a look, you know. So if you're looking for an affordable look, SHEIN's got you. I've already done videos to confirm that, and yet here's another one. You know, we're just kind of in the middle with how we like it. Well, at least I am. Y'all can let me know what you think down below, because I want to know. Yeah, I guess that's all I really wanted to show you. Y'all, this wig, it's just so childish. I don't know. Let me show y'all the back and all that good stuff. Did y'all get a good look? Let me try again. Did y'all get a good look? Let me try again. Did y'all get a good look? Just one more time, okay? Okay, that should have been good enough. Yeah, I have reached the end of the video. So I appreciate you guys for sticking to the end, watching, and leaving me a comment. If you have not yet done so, please do that. It's just one look, and I want your opinion on it. Please subscribe so you can catch me in the next video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.